Yep, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. As an Orlando Pirates supporter, angiyithandi i-hype. Yes, Relebohile Mofokeng is a top player. Can't take anything away from him. But ukuthi ngithi uMofokeng una-6 major trophies, bese anisho ukuthi 5 of them were decided by the referee's decision. 5 of those cups, of those trophies were decided by referee's decision. The only one that Pirates won without no referee's assistance was the game they were playing against Stellenbosch, in which we final eyenzeke this Saturday. I cannot lie, ngithi Pirates win. Ngiyaqala ukubona i-Pirates wina kanje cup without ureferee abe man of the match. Lento yokuthi nizothi uMofokeng wina ama-cup amaningi ku-Pirates, 4 in a row. 3 of those were referee's assistants. Ngaphandle ko-referee ngaba siyikhulumi lento le. Yes. As ahambe uJose Rivero, it was because he won 5 trophies with the help of referees. Singa-debate size siye kuphi kuphi. If uthi amanga, go and watch all those finals. Yes. Go and watch all those finals Pirates have been winning. Referee were making mistakes that Pirates are benefiting from them. All the finals. Yinto engibhorayo ngayo lento yama-cup ye-Pirates. That's the thing. You can say whatever you want, but mina, I'm that fan nje esticke eqinisweni. We won 6, but 5 of the trophies were given to us. We need to be clear. 5 of the trophies were given to us. We only won 1 fair and square. Yes. Yeah, seningaphikisa nithini anginandaba. Nakhuluma iqiniso. Danko.